Hey everyone, Professor Adjuvant here. In this 2-minute math video, we want to factor this trinomial. Okay, so before we do anything, we should always look and see if there is a greatest common factor to maybe make some of these numbers smaller. And in this case, there is. There is a 2 that is a greatest common factor with 22 and -6. Let's pull that out first. If we pull out a 2, we're left with 10x squared plus xy minus 3y squared. All right, this is going to make this a little bit easier for us. We're going to do this using the AC method, meaning I'm going to take the number in front of x squared, the 10, and then I'm going to take the last term, which in this case is a negative 3y squared, and we're going to multiply them together. So 10 times negative 3y squared is going to give us negative 30y squared. All right, I'm looking for two factors of this that are going to add up to make our middle term xy, specifically 1xy. So we can start listing out all of the factors. And what we should find is that a positive 6y and a negative 5y are going to be the two numbers that we add together to give us this positive 1. So we're going to rewrite this quadratic. I'm going to keep the 2 outside. We're going to rewrite it as 10x squared plus 6xy minus 5xy. We've broken apart this middle term, minus 3y squared. From here, we're going to use factor by grouping, where I split this down the middle, and we look at the two terms on the left, 10x squared and 6xy, and we look for greatest common factor between both of those. So the greatest common factor between both of those is going to be 2x, leaving us with 5x plus 3y. Looking at the two on the right, the two terms on the right, negative 5xy minus 3y squared, there is a greatest common factor of negative 1y. If we take out a negative y, we should be left with 5x plus 3y. So 5x plus 3y, 5x plus 3y, we have the same on both sides. We've done this correctly. And that 5x plus 3y is one of our two factors. The two GCFs that we pulled out, the 2x and the negative y, make our other factor, and we don't want to forget about the 2 that we pulled out in the very beginning. That's going to come down and come in front as our greatest common factor. Okay, so this would be our final answer. If you would like to see this described and explained in more detail, along with some additional examples, check out the video in the description below. If this video helped you out, consider giving it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, good luck, and we'll see you in the next one.